just the, I think one's not bad. Here.
Oh, no, good. Thank you so much.
It doesn't even look like the eye hit us. Or is going to hit us.
The eye has become a kind of amorphous blob on radar. If you look at the radar, there's like this amorphous blob because there's dry air hitting it from the west, so it's making it all blobby.
And wind.
I don't know if there is going to be a point.
It will end. It's moving northeast at about 8 or 9 miles per hour. It will end. It's
It
just
doesn't look like we're going to have a break for a couple of hours.
Yeah, it's saying like 11 p.m.
Yeah, that's like
1 a.m. is when it gets
sorry. I didn't mean to get you all stuck here. I didn't think it'd slow down this much. Hurricanes are unpredictable. The whole last 24 hours, it was moving to the northeast at 17 miles per hour. That means it would have been over by now.
Wow, Gimbal is really good with hummus.
I love hummus. Hummus is wonderful.
I don't know if we are staying that much fun. If I knew that we would take some time. Is power bar, is it good?
Power?
This bar, protein bar.
Oh, protein bars. Oh yeah, those are awesome. I love the protein bars.
Is it good? You like it?
around here somewhere.
Yeah, you can turn the light
Yeah,
on.
it's here, but it's too sweet probably.
question. I just saw flocks of them flying north yesterday.
Yeah, I saw birds flying all the way over here and when we got here. They were just like getting blown around, and I'm like,
I mean, not a single one of those trees have snapped
I know.
since we've been here. Like,
It's so crazy to me.
strong.
so flexible. Like, I mean, if you're flexible, you can adapt to all kinds of stressors. Is the look at them. I mean, they just float. They go with the wind. They go with it. They come right back, standing tall and confident.
Hey, does your where you're staying, did they lose power? The doctor?
What?
The doctor, what's his name?
Michael.
Did he lose power yet? Because the house lost power. A lot of places have lost power so far. House. No, John has not. But the water's turned off.
Oh my gosh, I thought it was so Instagram, he said, I'm changing my name to
Aqua.
Yeah.
That had been a plan before you met your brother. But yeah, that's kind of funny.
I was like, that was the catalyst.
That was a yeah. No, he's been thinking about it, but that's so funny.
And he says, hey, I'm Sean, what's your name? And he goes, and he's like,
I remember that. I remember that.
I clicked on Instagram the next day, and that was the first thing. In the
Yeah,
very
so
first
you were
one.
just like,
I was
oh, wow.
I just remembered things, and I was like, oh, that is so funny.
Oh my gosh, who recorded that? My head like down.
What? Oh, is this
There was a story of
is
yours
this her
that I
Snapchat story?
Yeah.
I don't.
You were like,
Yeah.
it's like,
Wow.
Oh, he has power and water.
No, I think all of St. Pete, the water was turned off, but maybe
Like he has.
he has. Yeah. Part of me wants to like try and walk. Other part of me is like, and I think no, but there's a here.
I just it was scary driving all this. I was like,
You drove 15 minutes.
I want to get in a parking garage and leave this person.
Oh, Rama. I know. But where is he? Where is he? Is he even watching what you're doing?
No.
No. Doesn't give a fuck.
was thinking, I think universe sending me every time a little bit higher level boyfriend.
Bless you. Bless you.
Bless you. I think it was a message from the universe when you blessed with your sneeze, my speech. So I was telling, I believe. Are you listening?
I am. You were saying? The universe is telling you what each time you get a higher level man. What?
Yeah, I'm just like.
There's a mesovortice tornado going right in front of us down the street. That's a tornado, mesovortice. There's always embedded tornadoes in eye walls of intense hurricanes. They're not in every hurricane. They're usually the weaker hurricanes, you don't find them. But once you get up to like Cat 3, 4, and 5, you're gonna get tornadoes in the eye wall.
I love that the street lights are still on because then you can really see the way the wind is like.
Yes, he's going
down.
all the
Wow.
directions. Wild.
Do usually those lights go out?
They go out and they come back on. I don't know
Wow.
what kind of sorcery is going on in these buildings, but
It's amazing.
yeah.
It's like it's for us almost.
Oh yeah.
So for us,
Yeah. For our experience. But Rama, you were saying?
so basically, I think like after Latvian, my boyfriend was like Latvian boyfriend was like, whoa, he was amazing, but some part was missing. And then after,
Sorry, she just started talking to me. You were saying?
okay, I'm telling the last time. But basically, if you just
Can you
keep
turn
it-
towards me so I can hear you a little better? Sorry, when you're talking this way with all the sound, it's hard to hear.
if you just be patient,
Mm-hmm.
the universe will be sending you the people step by step to go to your prize. But the universe, for example, I know what is my intention for my partner, and this person is super special and super successful and super wise, and I think I'm getting ready for this person, and this person also getting ready for me. And also I was like thinking, all of the animals, like all of the animals is just like don't fuck anything. They just like focus their life and just like they prioritize
There's a
themselves.
vortice tornado.
Right there, I see it.
That's the second tornado in just the last 10 minutes.
Whoa!
You have all now been in 5 tornadoes and 1 major hurricane. Tell your friends at home.
You guys are both getting ready for each other.
Yeah.
So,
You're fine. Go for it.
Every time also like I'm meeting with like next level people.
Another mesovortice, another tornado. Another tornado right there in front of us.